Hi and welcome. My name is Marie-Laurence. I am a singer and singing teacher. This vocal warm-up is designed for beginners. If you're just getting started and you want to build a strong and natural voice, you are in the right place. I will guide you through simple and effective vocal exercises to warm up your voice, so you can sing with more ease, control, and confidence. Are you ready? Let's begin. If you want more vocal exercises, you can check out my audio programs in all streaming platforms. The link is down below. We are going to start with a simple humming. Close your lips and say, and feel the vibrations in the front of your face, your lips, your nose. Sing along with me. Take a breath. Inhale. Nice work. Last one. Nice work. Let's continue with some lip trills to relax your lips, your face, your jaw. Just blow air through your lips like this. You can add pitch by sliding up and down, like this. If needed, hold your cheek slightly with your fingers. Let's try a siren on a lip trill. Nice work. Keep going. Great. Last one. Let's sing Ma Me Mi Mo Moo on arpeggios. Sing with me. Ma me mi mo Nice work. Ma me mi mo Let's continue with la 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 on a 5-note scale. La 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 la. We are using la 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 to wake up the tongue and lips. It helps with clear diction when you sing. Let's sing together. La 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 la. La 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 la. Great. Let's finish on a vocal slide from high to low on a ooh. Ooh. Like a gentle slide down. Nice work. Your voice is now more awake, more free, and ready to sing your songs. Keep practicing a little every day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.